Most people think the Galaxy Watch 9 is just another smartwatch with a few upgrades.
But after digging through Samsung's newest software,
Testing the latest AI features, and comparing it with previous Galaxy Watches, one thing became clear.
some of the best features are the ones Samsung barely talks about.
In this video, I'm revealing 10 hidden features that can completely change the way you use your Galaxy Watch 9. Some of these will save you time every single day. Some can improve your workouts. And one feature near the end might completely change how you think about smartwatches. So don't skip ahead, because every feature gets better than the last. Let's start with something that almost everyone misses during the initial setup. The Galaxy Watch 9 is much smarter at learning your daily routine than previous models. Instead of simply tracking steps or sleep, the watch quietly studies your habits throughout the day. It learns when you normally wake up, when you exercise, how active you are at work, and even when your energy levels begin to drop. After a few days, the watch starts making personalized suggestions automatically. Instead of opening apps yourself, the watch can recommend the right workout, remind you to stand, or even suggest winding down before bedtime. It feels less like using a gadget and more like having a personal assistant on your wrist. The second hidden feature is one of the biggest upgrades, powered by Galaxy AI. Imagine receiving a long message while you're busy. Instead of typing or sending a boring reply, the watch can understand the conversation and suggest replies that actually sound natural. It even adjusts the tone depending on the situation, whether you're replying to a friend, a family member, or a colleague. The responses feel surprisingly human. This saves time and makes replying directly from your wrist much more practical than ever before. Another feature that deserves much more attention is the improved health monitoring system. Most people already know the watch measures heart rate, sleep, and stress. But what many users don't realize is that the Galaxy Watch 9 combines all of this information to build a much smarter picture of your overall health. Instead of showing random numbers, it looks for patterns. If your sleep quality drops for several nights or your recovery isn't improving after workouts, the watch can notify you before you even notice something feels different. It's like having a health coach quietly working in the background every day. Now here's something travelers and busy professionals will appreciate. The Galaxy Watch 9 is much better at switching between your phone, tablet, earbuds, and other Galaxy devices. You don't have to keep reconnecting everything manually. If you're listening to music on your phone and start watching a video on your tablet, your Galaxy Buds can switch automatically. The watch becomes the center of your Galaxy ecosystem, making everything feel smoother without requiring extra effort. The fifth hidden feature is designed for people who exercise regularly. Samsung has upgraded workout tracking with much more detailed performance analysis. Instead of simply counting calories, the watch analyzes your pace, recovery time, heart rate zones, and training intensity. After each workout, you receive useful insights instead of confusing charts. This helps you train smarter rather than just harder, making every workout more effective over time. One feature that surprised many early users is the smarter battery management system. Rather than simply showing how much battery remains, the Galaxy Watch 9 studies your usage habits. If you usually don't need certain features during work hours or overnight, the watch automatically reduces unnecessary power usage in the background. That means longer battery life without forcing you to constantly enable power-saving mode yourself. Let's talk about one feature that can genuinely save time every day. The improved gesture controls are faster and more reliable than before. With simple wrist movements or finger gestures, you can answer calls, dismiss alarms, scroll through notifications, control music, or activate certain shortcuts without touching the display. This sounds like a small improvement, but after using it for a few days, you'll probably wonder how you manage without it. Now here's a feature many people won't discover unless someone points it out. The Galaxy Watch 9 lets you create personalized quick routines that automatically activate depending on where you are or what you're doing. For example, when you arrive at the gym, workout tracking can start automatically. When you reach home, your phone can switch to silent mode while your smart home devices adjust your lighting. These automations happen quietly in the background and make everyday
life feel much more convenient. The ninth hidden feature focuses on safety.
The Galaxy Watch 9 includes improved emergency detection and location sharing. If the watch detects a serious fall or another emergency situation, it can contact your emergency contacts and share your location. Even if you never need this feature, knowing it's available adds peace of mind,
especially for older family members or people who spend time outdoors alone.
Finally, we arrive at what could be the most impressive hidden feature of them all. Samsung has quietly transformed the Galaxy Watch 9 into a true AI companion instead of just another smartwatch. It doesn't simply react when you tap the screen. It learns from your habits, predicts your needs, helps manage your health, improves communication, controls your Galaxy devices, and becomes more useful the longer you wear it.
That's a huge shift from what smartwatches were just a few years ago.
The real upgrade isn't only faster hardware or a brighter display. It's the intelligence working silently behind the scenes every single day. So, are these hidden features enough to make the Galaxy Watch 9 worth buying? For many people, the answer is yes. If you're upgrading from an older Galaxy Watch, you'll notice the improvements almost immediately. And if this is your first Samsung smartwatch, you're getting one of the smartest wearable experiences the company has ever created. The Galaxy Watch 9 isn't trying to impress with flashy marketing alone. Its biggest strengths are the features many people don't discover until they start using it every day. If you enjoyed uncovering these hidden features, make sure to subscribe because more Galaxy Watch 9 tips, tricks, comparisons, and hidden settings are coming soon. And before you leave, tell me in the comments which hidden feature surprised you the most and which one you're excited to try first.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.